Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. Update po tayo sa mga performance-based bonus. Ito po yung latest meron pong bagong release na Notice of Cash Allocation para sa PBB 2023. Kasama po dito ang Division of Puerto Princesa. Meron silang more than 1.6 million pesos po ito. Ito pa, Division of Palawan, more than 3 million pesos. Division of Romblon, more than 2 million pesos. Congrats po sa inyo. Ito pa, Division of Muntinlupa, meron na ling sirang para pala ito sa loyalty pay, yung sa Division of Muntinlupa. Pero itong Division of Marinduque, ito po ay para sa PBB 2023 worth 1.7 million pesos. Ito pa po, PBB 2023 para sa Division of Digos. Nako, more than 21.3 million pesos. Meron na rin PBB sa Division of Davao Occidental worth 50.2 million pesos. Congrats po sa inyo. Ito pa, para sa Region 11, para sa Talomo National High School, Tagakpan National High School, Chofelo V. Fernandez National High School, Los Amigos National High School, Serawan National High School, Jesus L. Soriano National High School. Meron na rin para sa Doña Carmen Denia National High School, Leon Garcia Senior National High School, Lower Taguman National High School, G.V. Ferriols National High School, Gorgonio Tajo Senior National High School, Santa Ana National High School, Sereb National High School, Pablo National High School. So lahat po ng ito ay magiging pera na sa next week for sure mga ka-Jesnabs. Ito pa, Compostela National High School, Mabini National High School, Maragusan National High School, Moncayo National High School at saka Division of Davao de Oro. Ito pa mga ka-Jesnabs, Region 11 din ito. PBB 2023 para sa Attorney Orlando S. Rimando National High School, Mainit National High School, Manap National High School, Lorenzo S. Sarmiento Senior National High School, Montevesta National High School, Pindasan National High School, Anibungan National High School, Gabi National High School, Laak National High School, Andili National High School. Congrats po sa inyo. Ito pa po, Baganga National High School, Catel Vocational High School, Lopon National High School, Caraga National High School, Catel National Agricultural High School, Manuel S. Guinness Senior National High School, Mati School of Arts and Trades, Mati National Comprehensive High School, Matiao National High School, Bagas National High School, Division of Mati City, Dawan National High School. Ito pa po, PBB 2023 para sa Region 8. Itong Katarman National High School. Ay nako, iba pala ito. Sa tax remittance pala ito, sorry. Tapos na siguro yung Region 8. Region 11, meron sa Division of Davao City. Meron din sa Davao del Sur State Colleges. Ay hindi po yung PBB. Pang supplemental monthly disbursement. Pero itong Division of Tagum City, meron na silang PBB worth 1.7 million pesos. Pati yung Division of Island Garden City of Samal, meron din para sa Regional Office 11. Meron din para sa Nabunturan National Comprehensive High School, Pantokan National High School, New Batasan National High School, Division of Island Garden City of Samal, Nieves Villarica National High School, Samal National High School, Mambago, Dasbi National High School. Congrats po sa inyo, mga ka-Jesnabs. Ito pa po, sa Region 11 pa rin ito, Laurita National High School, Posituason Junior Memorial National High School, Pispisan Maog National High School, meron na kayong PBB. Kasama ang Tagum City National High School, Tagum City National Comprehensive High School, La Pilipina National High School, Tagum National Trade School. Congrats po sa inyo. Ito pa, meron na rin PBB. Ang Bernardo D. Carpio National High School, Division of Davao City. Nakong laki. 149.1 million pesos. Ito pa, Kabantian National High School, Daniel R. Aguinaldo National High School, Baguio National School of Arts and Trades, Crossing Bayabas, Dakudao National High School, Binuwang National High School, Binugaw National High School, Kalinan National High School. Congrats po sa inyo. Ito pa, yung A.L. Navarro National High School, Biao National High School, Catalunan Paqueño National High School. Meron na kayong PBB 2023. Mga ka-Jesnabs, thank you for having me. Salamat po. Bye-bye.